Hi all. In previous video, we have seen how to solve the system of equations by using matrix inversion method and Cramer's rule. And the third method is Gauss-Jordan method. We will see how to solve these three equations by using Gauss-Jordan method here. Okay. So given equations are Gauss-Jordan method. Given equations are x plus y plus z is equal to 1, equation 1. 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, this is equation number 2. X plus 4y plus 9z equal to 3, this is equation number 3. Okay, now we have to write the augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix? AB. Okay, what is AB? What is A? Coefficient matrix 1 1 1, 2 2 3, 1 4 9. Even B is 1 6 3, 1 6 3. This is our augmented matrix AB. Now we have to do the row operations. Okay, first what I will do, R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1 I will do here. Okay, so R1 remains same, 2 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 2 4. Again R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 9 minus 1 8, 3 minus 1 2. Okay, what I am going to do is, now R3 tends to R3 minus 8 R2. Okay, 1 1 1 1, 0 0 1 4, 0, 3 minus 0 3. Okay, 8 minus 8 0, 2 minus 8 4 32, 2 minus 32 30, minus 30. Okay, now what we are going to do is, this is our A matrix 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 3 0. A converted into like this, and our B matrix is 1 4 minus 30. So you can write the equations by using this. X plus y plus z is equal to 1, this is equation number 4. Next, 0 into x, 0 into y plus z, z is equal to 4. Here 0 into x plus 3 into y plus z into 0 is equal to how much? Minus 30. So y is equal to 3 tenths or minus 10. So we know y value, we know z value, substitute in fourth equation. X plus y value minus 10 plus z value 4 is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 10 plus 4, how much? Minus 10 plus 4, minus 6. If the minus 6 comes this side, plus 6. X is equal to 7. So the answer is 7 10, 7 minus 10 4. X y z. These are the solutions. We have found this in Cramer's and inverse method. I will show that answer here where we found those values. 7 minus 10 4. 7 minus 10 4. This method is easiest method called Gauss-Jordan method. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments. Thank you.